Hey guys, it's Stackman again. In this video, let me show you how you can install Tachiyomi on iPhone. Go to Settings app, then click General, click on Background App Refresh, then click Background App Refresh again, and switch it to On to Wi-Fi and cellular data. You need to turn off the low power mode by opening the Settings app, then go to Battery, then turn off the low power mode. After that, open any browser and type this, then search for Tachiyomi and click download. If the notification window pop up about the app, click allow, then click close, go to settings app, then click more for your iPhone, then click view profile under the profile downloaded, then click install. Next, install, and then install. Click done, and after the steps, go to the main screen and check if Tachiyomi is installed. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.